Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to use the blood collection kit. So this is my arm, and it's got some veins, but none that I'm comfortable poking. So instead, we're going to use this bottle of naked juice because it's roughly the consistency of blood, and it doesn't feel pain. So we have the choice of two needles here. I'm going to choose this one just because I feel like it'll go in easier. But if I had gloves, I'd be wearing them. But since I don't, I guess we'll start by just cleaning the site where we're going to take blood from. So I have this little alcohol swab, and I'm just going to clean the front surface so that we don't cause any infection. Okay, so now we're good to go. So I'm going to take this vacutainer here and have it ready. And this is going to be our needle, so I'm going to remove that green cap to expose the needle. And obviously plastic is harder than skin, so it took a little bit, but there we go. So you're going to insert the vacutainer into the needle port, and there you go. And you're just going to let your juice flow. And obviously, because this bottle doesn't have a circulatory system, it's not under the kind of pressure that our blood is under. So it took a little while, and it took a little bit of maneuvering. I had to change the access point here. So ideally, blood collection would normally go smoother than this. But once we're done and you've gotten a amount of smoothie juice that you're satisfied with, I'm just going to remove the vacutainer so you can see it's got the smoothie in there. And now we just got to pull out the needle. And when you do that, you want to apply firm pressure so that nothing comes like spurting out. Okay, and put a band-aid over it. Sure. And you want to cap your needle and dispose of it in a sharps container. So that's pretty much it, really. I hope you guys enjoyed this demonstration. And now we'll move on to the next supply.